Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a musical symbol that's both beautiful and essential, the treble clef. Whether you're just starting your musical journey or want to brush up on your music theory, this video will show you how to draw the treble clef perfectly every time. Grab your pencils, pens, or whatever you like to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, let's draw a spiral, just like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Spirals can be tricky. Next, we'll take that spiral and curve the line gently upwards, like so. And to finish it off, we'll add this little flourish at the bottom, a nice loop and a gentle curve outwards. Great job. You're drawing a treble clef. Let's try that again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more music theory tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy drawing!